you only memorize if you're learning science or even mathematics, right? During my time, you memorize what? Formulas. So it has become a memory work. Yeah, even I think some of the schools, the traditional schools do it today. Now we have to humanize schools. Now we need to humanize the way parents teach, even now in the home learning modality, is that encourage your children to be curious, to probably go into safe sites in the internet that they can do experiments and engage with other children. Even robotics, for example, is a way to engage and make them more of critical thinkers, which we really need right now, which is really the basis of science, isn't it? So it's really providing them the resources. Maybe you don't have to spend, a fortune for these resources. There are a lot of free resources available right now. So yes, again, provide the resources, and again, as I said, always support and encourage. Don't belittle them if they make mistakes, because mistakes is actually learning, isn't it? So experiments, and then we need to humanize the way we teach both at home and in school. And another thing that I'd like to mention probably is what we call the inquiry science-based education, or ISPE. And that's the reason why robotics is so crucial right now when we're teaching it, even as part of physics or part of even the science programs, because it really makes you think, and it really makes you more inquisitive and tells you what the solutions are to the problems of probably not just your experiment. Maybe you'll invent something, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.